What's up everyone? So it is day 2 here in Sigiriya in Sri Lanka. As I mentioned in the last video, today we're going to be going on a safari, a jungle safari. You're supposed to see loads of wildlife and loads of elephants, an animal that I haven't seen that much. So I've been really looking forward to this. It's going to be my first ever safari, ever. And it's going to cost 4,500 for the Jeep, a private Jeep just for me and Carol with a driver. And then I think the park we're going to is going to cost another 4,000. I'll confirm that later on, but yeah, I think it is 8,500 overall. So it's going to be in the afternoon around 1:45 I think. So probably right now we're going to get a tuk-tuk into the city, get some breakfast, and then we'll head out on the safari. Hello again.
How are you?
Hello.
Thank you. Sit.
Here. So we've come to a really cool hidden spot that we ate last night. It's in like a tent. You probably saw the shots from the outside. So this place is called Restaurant of Dinner. You can see here it's just a really nice setting for some food. And me and Carol are just gonna get the vegetable rice each, which is 450. The Jeep?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hello. Hello. So the Jeep safari begins. Our first time doing something like this. So we got this Jeep to ourselves. Pretty spacious. Never been in a car like this before, a Jeep. And this is gonna be 4 hours, so it is 8,500 like I said earlier. And yeah, it's a 4-hour trip, so yeah, quite a while. It should be good. Alright, so we're in the park now. The one that we've come to is called Hurulu Eco Park. There's quite a few different ones. He's opened the top of the Jeep, so yeah, you can stand up like this. See some Jeeps behind us as well. Actually quite a few here because it's Saturday, but this looks like it's going to be awesome. So this is the view you get standing up. This is really cool, right? I was worried that they wouldn't open up the top.
Yeah, me too.
Completely different experience. Oh wow. So we have found what we came looking for, the big elephant right next to it right now. So before there was these elephants in the background, you can see one there coming. And then this one came all the way here to drink from this little pond. Beautiful. Yeah, that is awesome. Look how close to all these elephants. I didn't realize we'd be coming this close. Crazy. There's a little baby one at the back as well. Everybody's come to see them now. Very nice. That was awesome, right? Very good. Carol, what happened?
Rain.
Rain.
Heavy rain.
Heavy rain. Maybe it goes away soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see this hardcore peacock just chilling in the torrential rain. He doesn't care at all. Having a very bouncy ride here. Roller coaster ride. Guys, look at this ground. Those guys back there, one of them's actually stuck in the mud. Crazy. Oh no, look at that. Another casualty. It's turned into a game of whose Jeep will survive. So the sun's come out a bit again, well it stopped raining at least, and we found another pack of elephants now. We're just waiting in the queue. So have all these other jeeps here queuing up to see the elephants back there. From far away they kind of look like rocks. It's the same color. And then all of a sudden you see a bit of movement.
That's why it's hard to find sometimes. If they move, it's a rock.
Yeah.
Other times it's an elephant.
Is it a rock? Is it an elephant? This time it's an elephant. So we've now gotten out of the Jeep and we're walking up there. So from up here we have a really awesome view of the entire park. Hello. Here on the other side you can see just a lush green surrounding everywhere. I didn't actually know that we'd be able to get out of the Jeep, so yeah, it was a nice surprise as well. I'm going to close the video out now. We're not going to do anything else today, just going to get dinner. Tomorrow we're going to be leaving here. Not really sure where we're going to be going yet. I think we might go to a popular place called Kandy that's not too far from here, so yeah, possibly there. And yeah, today was just another awesome day in Sri Lanka. What do you think, Carol?
I think it was great, especially for us. It was kind of a special moment because we like animals. We always wanted to see elephants, but when we were in Thailand we didn't want to ride an elephant, of course. Just the idea of the elephant being not being free is not good, so here it's like a different experience because they are totally free and they can go from one place to another. They are like totally free, so it was awesome to see them, and yeah, it was great. Just an unforgettable experience.
Yeah, seeing elephants up that close is awesome for sure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.